3 plus 3 gives us 6, and then minus 3 times 6 gives us minus 18, and then 9 divided by minus 18 gives us minus 1/2. This is not the correct answer, and this is absolutely a wrong answer because you fell for a really big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. So you didn't follow the correct order of operations. So if you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, yes, for God's sake, yes, there is an order of operations. And without this, it would create chaos in math because you would say this is the right answer, I would say another one. So to avoid this, mathematicians created a convention that everybody accepts. So let's see what this convention, this rule is. It is called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym. Let's see what it stands for. P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses and any grouping symbols. E stands for exponents, powers, square roots, etc. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must do parentheses at first whenever you see them. They have the highest priority. Then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. So the order is not important. So go from left to right. They have the same priority and the same precedence. MD or DM doesn't matter. This is really important. Pay attention to this. And finally, addition and subtraction go from left to right. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. Never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul? Okay. With that in mind, let's do our original expression. Do we have any parentheses in this? Yes, we do. Let's do the parentheses at first. So let's write everything down. 9 divided by minus 3. What's inside the parentheses? So we have 3 plus 3, which gives us 6. So you can remove that and put it into a multiplication. Now we have division, multiplication, according to PEMDAS, go from left to right, not non-multiplication at first. If you do this, the answer would be 1/2. So 9 divided by minus 3 at first. Okay, so we can write it as like this, 9 divided by minus 3, which gives us minus 3. And then minus 3 times 6 gives us minus 18, and that's the final answer. For your homework, I try to complicate it further. So 9 divided by minus 3, and then inside the parentheses, minus 3 plus 3 squared. So make sure, really look forward to seeing your answers. Make sure to put your answers for the homework in the comments below, and please subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, to support and motivate me, and like the video if you haven't already. All the best to all of you, my dear students.